So, you want to learn bookkeeping. Chart of Accounts by Dave Marshall. What should you now know? Putting together all that we just discussed, you should now understand or at least be familiar with what the chart of accounts is. As stated earlier, the chart of accounts is a listing of all the individual accounts in the general ledger that contains the account's name, a brief description of the account, and optional other identifiers, codes, or a coded account number assigned to aid in recording, classifying, summarizing, and reporting transaction. A chart of accounts can range from very simple to very complex. What codes are and how they're used to assign information and build a chart of accounts. The brain of your chart of accounts is your coding system. It determines what information and reports you can and cannot produce. Just like your own brain, a good coding system allows you to organize, process, store, and retrieve needed information. What to consider and think about when setting up a chart of accounts. How the chart of accounts is closely related to the balance sheet and income statement. Where to find samples and additional help. If nothing else, the importance of setting up a good chart of accounts for your business. My last words of advice. Setting up your chart of accounts for a reasonably complex business by hand, as well as recording and classifying your daily business transactions, are time-consuming tasks if you choose a manual accounting system. The tasks become much easier if you use accounting software to set up and do your bookkeeping. As I mentioned earlier, many of accounting software programs have a number of canned chart of accounts to choose from. In addition, for a task this important, it doesn't hurt to consult with your friendly accountant.